is very a holder of XRP. You know why? This is one big reason I get a start this live price prediction. But before I get start this video, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. You know why subscribe is important? Subscribe. If you subscribe ABS Tech channel, then I updating you every hour, every second, every last hour. So this is absolutely good news for you. Do I notify you? So don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started the XRP price prediction. Okay guys, so why this video is very special and very urgent? This is one big reason, and this is the reason as that big to everyone can sell it and those days. You know why? Because this is the start of this month. Okay, but this is very big mistake if you sell this time. Absolutely, this is very big mistake. You can see here, this is this last 1 hour reason, and the last 1 hour reason absolutely gone good. You can see here plus 0.47%, and I hope they can easily cross. You can see here the price is 0.5865 US dollar. This is absolutely good price, and I hope they can easily cross in a few days $1 US dollar. But if they can cross $1 US dollar, then why you are sell it at those days? This is absolutely very bad for you to have sell it at those days. This is absolutely very bad, not good. This is absolutely very bad decision to you sell it. Don't forget to please hold it, don't sell it. Okay, please hold it for end of month. Wait for end of month. I hope they can cross 2 or 5 US dollars. So if they can give you a 4 or 5 US dollar and one coin, then absolutely you have get a good profit. So this is good chance for you to you just take a profit. Absolutely good. So thanks for watching guys. Don't sell it and wait, hold it. Okay, and wait for the end of this month. Thanks for watching. I update you every good news or bad news. You just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.